Didn't you have hot water?
Yeah, I guess
Huh?
I'm going to put this.
How many pieces of toast do you want? 2?
Just one.
Just 1. You know how to work that? Oh, just 1. Okay.
Time 2.
Huh?
You got to put on time.
Yep, time is right.
Right there.
Yep, bingo. Yep.
Now,
And then you just punch in what you want. 1 minute would be 1:00. 2 minutes, 2:00. 30 seconds, 3:00.
oh, I didn't put that there.
So 2:00. So you want it 2 minutes? Okay. Is it in there right now?
Yeah.
Okay, just press that. Alright, Grandma Rock, welcome to the 90s, eh?
What have you done before?
Oh, yeah. Pretty soon I'll get you to set that clock in the VCR. Hey, hey, hey.